if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, maybe you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed. Think you're something out of my nightmares, standing right there. But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, then will you get bored of killing me?
Silhouettes of you are like a taunt. Never really know just what you want. With you I don't ever feel calm. I can feel the sweat inside my palms. Play with me like cats and a string. You don't understand the pain it brings. You don't ever wanna give me wings. You don't ever wanna set me free. You know I'm addicted to you, and it's twisted, you've been gifted with the evil voodoo. Got me coming back for more, even when I've been screwed. Dolls full of pins, pierce my heart straight through. I got issues in my head, I like you in my bed, but you keep me on red. Oh, everything is like a test, I better not text or I'll come off desperate.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, baby you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed. Think you're something out of my nightmares, standing right there. But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, then will you get bored of killing me?
So if I play dead, will you regret everything that you did, that you said? I don't think you understand what you're doing, and my heart's black and blue from the bruising. I feel like when I'm with you I'm losing. I feel like you think that this amusing, sitting there gaslighting and confusing. Was it me? Is it me? Am I deluded? I'm the one who's always sorry, the conclusion, even though I offer all of the solutions. I wish you loved me like I love you, it's stupid. When I'm alone with you I never feel lucid. I wish I wasn't struck by Cupid. I wish when I first saw you I knew this. When I'm with you I feel so useless, I feel dilute.
Kote cyane nitwa Delphine, nkaba nje kuseruka mu kibanza ca Empire Avenue. Banje kubashimira kandi kubona mwatwitondeye mukitabira ubutumire bwacu, kongera mukatwihanganira ku masaha yatugoye. Uno munsi rero twabatumiye kugira ngo dushire icete ku masezerano ari hagati ya Satbi hamwe na Crown Royal. Akaba ari collaboration, ugukorana kuzoba guhagaze ku gutezanya imbere hagati y'abo bantu babiri. Reka mvuge Satbi hamwe na Crown Royal. Tuvuga yuko Satbi aha azoba ari hose ashobora kuzoba aserukira ibinyobwa canke imitobe, imivinyo ya Crown Royal. N'ahari Crown Royal hose hakaboneka umuririmbyi Satbi. Ico akaba ari ikintu kinini cyane gose, twari twashimye kuryoherwana na mwebwe. Nubwo murakoze cyane.
Tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Gotta build up of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side, maybe we could be okay. Okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. Guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away. As you fade away. As you fade away.
zirenze izo kabisa. Sasa mugihe nzi neza icyo mushaka mwembi, amarira yanyu abajournaliste, amarira y'abafana bati umuziki wacu kuri gutaba mpuzamakungu. Okay, bari gusaba 60 million 80 million kugira ngo mbe brand ambassador w'iki kinyobwa. W'ikinyobwa icyo aricyo cyose kuri uno mwanya ni hejuru ya 80 million. Ariko nonante ndazifate ndazishyire mu muryango wanjye gusa, kandi ndi ngaha kugira ngo serukire igihugu, kugira ngo nzimye amarira y'abantu bamaze imyaka bavuga ngo umuziki wacu nutere imbere, nutere intambwe. Yego ndashobora kuyatobora, ayatwara mu rugo nkasangira na Mariam na Mama Leila na mama n'umuryango na Kent P, tukiteza imbere. Ariko dufite inshingano twihaye guteza imbere umuziki w'Uburundi. Umuziki w'Uburundi ni uw'Abarundi, si uwanjye jenyine. Rero ko tumaze imyaka twifuza ariko turonka aba investisseur investissa mu muziki bashaka amafaranga menshi. 80 million gani make ntiyongira Sabi International. Bishoboka aba investisseur ngabo baraje, ndaronsa amahirwe yo gushika imbere y'umu investor ati Sabi ndakeneye ube brand ambassador ushaka ngaha. Nanjye Sabi ndishyuye neza, ntuma amahera, teza imbere ibikorwa byanjye kugira ngo amarira y'abarundi tuyafute. Je naho nzova nkenye, je ndatunze nijya modoka yanjye akazi nuko neza ndarya, ndabyuka nkaryama n'ibindi ubwo rero ndavuga neza tuvugire abandi dukore igikorwa cyo kwinvestisa mu muziki w'Uburundi kuko nduze valeur amiprozo tuga valeur bigi aduge valeur n'abandi tuduge valeur tuduze agaciro k'umuziki w'Uburundi kandi ndizera yuko bizokunda. Mu iki gikorwa ntagishize mu maboko yanjye ku nyungu zanje na management na family yanjye, ahubwo nagishize ku nyungu z'umuziki w'Uburundi muri rusange. Ni kuvuga yuko no musi dufise investisseur ashaka kuduhuza collab na Diamond, ashaka kuduhuza collab na Chris Brown, why not? Ashaka kuduhuza n'abaririmbyi benshi ba East Africa. Sicyo mukeneye none, cyo dukeneye bon, why not? Yarabaye ariko nakambara neza muri iki gihe Fizo nakeneye Sabi, nanjye ntabwo nkeneye Fizo. Dukeneye abandi hariya batuzanira fan base. Yes. Ibyo tuzobigira kamugenzi kugira ngo tubashire hamwe ibyo mu biyumvira ibindi bitanu bisaga amaro. Ibyo ko mu mwanya dukeneye kuba plus ibyo mu kimenya. Rero bibe nkako mudushirikire muri iki gikorwa. Niko za miliyoni 80 nashize kuzijya jenyene, nashize ko duteza imbere umuziki w'Uburundi muri rusange. Ego ikindi kibazo ni ikihe mwambagije Satbi sibyibuka byabaye byinshi ariko ndakuragira ati biraba byinshi birangora kwishura nabyishije byose muri rusange
Chete banisho.
Iyi ni crown. Ndashobora ukivuga ikintu. Ndashaka ukivuga ikintu. Jewe ndasinya na crown. Hari amakampani nemerewe gukorana nayo n'ayandi ntemerewe. Urumva hari amadetaye yavuze ko tutovugira ngaha yose nuko yabaye ariko nibashira kwishima kuri iki kibazo nawe nyine atake lui nta kibazo ariko kuri kote yanje ndi mu kazi